Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is May 26th, 2025, and we are going to break down Meta platform stock, by looking at the current news and then diving deep into the charts. We will be looking at the trends, reversals, supports and resistances, and key price levels to pay attention to. According to recent news, Meta's stock price is around $627.06, which represents a decrease of 1.49% today. Analysts have set price targets ranging from $525 to $918, with an average of $696.12, indicating potential upside. The recent delay of Meta's AI model Behemoth rollout to June caused a temporary dip in the stock price, so let's keep an eye on how the stock price reacts in June when it releases. Let's transition over to the daily chart and see what insights we can gather. Looking at the Meta daily chart, we can see a significant rally from around $420 in late April 2025 to approximately $480 by late May, then up to $640 by early June of 2025. However, since the EDH of 740, the chart has mostly been in a downtrend, finding new supports and being unable to break through the 740 resistance. We see the current trading price around $479.92. This may find support around here or start trending down again if it breaks through. Let's zoom in on the candles between April 22nd, 2025 and May 26th, 2025 to get a better view of the price action. Now, focusing on this range, we see increased volatility and choppiness compared to the prior months. Notice the large red candle on April 24th, 2025, followed by a large green candle on April 25th, 2025. This was likely related to an earnings announcement or a significant news event, as the volume was very high during those days. We see that the analysts remain mostly bullish on Meta and that the institutional investors continue to increase their positions in Meta, so this may serve as a catalyst to break through 740. Let's switch to the hourly chart to analyze the short-term price action. Examining the hourly chart, we can see some short-term resistance around $480 and a support level forming around $470. The hourly chart shows more detailed price fluctuations, confirming the volatility. Let's narrow our focus to the last few days on the hourly chart and see if we can find any specific trade setups. We can see that the recent uptrend stopped at 480 and has been bouncing between 472 and 480. This may be a good short-term resistance point to pay attention to. Now, let's switch to the 15-minute chart to see if we can get even more clarity on the short-term price action. On the 15-minute chart, we can observe that Meta is currently trading in a tight range between approximately $475 and $480. This could indicate a period of consolidation before a potential breakout or breakdown. If the price breaks above $480 with strong volume, it could signal a bullish continuation, potentially targeting the $490 level. Conversely, if the price breaks below $475, it could trigger a bearish move towards the $470 or even the $460 level. Keep an eye on the volume to confirm any potential breakouts or breakdowns. As mentioned earlier, the potential release of Behemoth in June may also serve as a catalyst. Overall, Meta's stock price remains heavily influenced by its AI advancements and the broader market sentiment. It will be important to keep an eye on new events coming out in June, since we know that Meta is planning on launching its AI model, Behemoth.